introduce the new products of Heyman, NB-IoT Smoke Alarm. This is a narrowband IoT smart smoke alarm, no wiring, easy installation, and remote management. Voice call alarm, SMS alarm, apps notification alarm, virtual notification alarm, link the videos of virus, etc. How to install narrowband card. Control rotate bait. Take off the bait. Take out the narrowband module. Install narrowband card according to the instruction. Open the apps. Scan QR code on the back of the products. Input the product's ID, location info, etc. Install the base clockwise. Start testing by press the test button till it sounds. Check apps notification, SMS, voice call.
的王卫刚，您的海梦科技于2018年9月6日17点9分37秒发生测试报警，设备位于中国广东省深圳市龙华区福泉路84，请及时处理。
Then, testing complete. Thank you for your attention. Heyman wish you have a very good day.